Nagaland Beekeeping and Honey Mission pra aji 6 Nagaland Honey Bee Day observe krishe. So we march umuketi made. Idopo program de NBHM team pra district level best beekeeper awards dishe. 16 individuals, 16 district pra. Advisor to Chief Minister and Chairman of IDN Abu Mehta Kun program the special guest tagishe. Tai khota ko homoy Nagaland de itu laga business to potential bishi ase aru state laga economy bi bal korbale rasta ase kushe.
Having understood the importance of bees in our entire ecosystem, we should not only make efforts to preserve and protect them, but today we have the scope and the possibility that these bees which protect our ecosystem also have great potential to contribute towards the enhancement of our economy, creating a better life for us. Therefore, especially the students, I want you to understand the dynamics of beekeeping, the economic potentials of beekeeping, how you can have a better life, how you can have handsome careers, and at the same time contribute towards a healthy ecosystem of our entire environment. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the chairman and team leader of the Nagaland Honey Mission. I must comment that in my past 20 years of serving the state government, my experience in the Chief Minister's office, the Nagaland Honey Mission has never been so vibrant, so effective, and so much on the go. They are taking out-of-the-box approaches. They are aggressively marketing honey. And today I can see Nagaland honey, not just here in Nagaland, but when I travel around different parts of the country, I see the presence of Nagaland honey in various outlets, institutions, and in the service industry. In five-star hotels, resorts, in emporiums in the national capital, showrooms across the country, Nagaland honey is starting to make its presence felt. I also get a lot of requests from visitors who come to Nagaland or friends I visit in other parts of the country and the world to please bring Nagaland honey with me when I travel to them. So I want to congratulate Mr. Quinker, Senti, and the rest of the team for doing fantastic work, for aggressively pushing our brand, and for creating opportunities for our farmers in the nook and corners of Nagaland. The real stakeholders are the honey farmers. And I want to congratulate those who got awarded today. Sob ke bishi thanks ase. Aru government bi kiman pare Nagaland Honey Mission logo kotha guribo strategize kuri gine apni khan laga activity apni khan la farming bi improve, enhance, or increase kuro nimide sob effort ami khan banabo. That assurance I give to all the farmers. And the Honey Mission also has many other plans on the pipeline. I have been told that this hall which we are sitting today is going to become a museum for honey, which could be one of the first in the Northeast and a unique experience. I also congratulate them not only pushing honey as a product and empowering farmers, but also introducing the concept of honey tourism, where tourists from outside the state not only buy and taste the honey, but go to the rural areas, experience how honey is done, how the farming is done. So they take a journey and a storytelling process of the story of Nagaland honey. So these are some aspects and new verticals which the Honey Mission has introduced. With the support of the Chief Minister, I am sure they will do much, much better. But as I said earlier, the potentials and the scope for honey right now in India is huge. And we need to put in more investments, we need to put in more efforts. I agree with my friend Mr. Putsure, who said that we need to use technology, we need to also understand the various challenges and other aspects. He mentioned hornets. This was something we had discussed with the honey mission also. Hornet la damdu honey bra bishi as Nagaland are so manu hornet ke support kore, honey bee ke support na kore. But we have to understand the fact that this hornet, earlier our people used to catch hornets in the wild and eat it as it was an exotic food, it's an expensive food. Today, especially my community, our community, we breed hornets, we are also hornet farmers. So this is really affecting the honey bees and the other bee population. This is something Naga society has to look at and understand what damage it is doing. There has to be a balance in both sides. So this is something we've discussed, and we will continue to address this issue, perhaps more as a sensitization, as an educational exercise through the honey mission and other aspects of the agri and allied sector, because our APC is also here. This discussion we will take forward. So in conclusion, thank you very much again, Honey Mission, for inviting me. I wish you very, very fruitful sessions in the second half. I want to tell young students that what you learn today will benefit our future generations. Be like a sponge. A sponge absorbs as much water as possible. So use this opportunity, not just today, but wherever you go, use the opportunity to acquire knowledge. Learn as much as possible. Ask as many questions as possible, because in today's world, knowledge is power. And you must use modern technology to enhance your knowledge bank. It's said in today's world, the world is moving so fast that you have to be running just to remain in the same place. The illiterate people of today's generation are not those who cannot read and write, but the illiterates of today are the ones who cannot use modern technology. You have to use modern technology in a positive way. And technology is at your disposal, in the palm of your hand, at the press of a screen, in the form of a smartphone or a little laptop that you have. You have to use technology to empower yourself. Use technology in a positive way, because you are going to be the future leaders of Nagaland and of the country. 10 years from today, most of you will be seated on this side of the dais and will be the old ones sitting that side. I want you to tell students that in life, everything is possible. You just got to put in the hard work. You have to run that extra mile, burn that midnight oil. You will win, you will succeed, you will shine. Thank you very much. Happy Hornbill again. Kuknalim.